What if everything you own, your family, your health is taken away in a single moment? And what if God allows it to happen without explanation? This is the story of Job, the man who lost everything but never lost his faith. In the land of Uzi, there lived a man named Job. He was wealthy, respected, and deeply faithful to God. Job had everything: 10 children, thousands of livestock, and servants beyond counts. But what made Job special was not his wealth, it was his heart. He feared God and lived a life of righteousness. But in heaven, something was about to happen that would change his life forever. So stay with me to the end of this powerful story of Job. One day, the angels came to present themselves before God, and among them was Satan. God said, "Have you considered my servant Job? There is no one like him on earth." But Satan replied, "Does Job fear you for nothing? Take away everything he has, and he will surely curse you." And God allowed the test, not because he hated Job, but because something deeper was about to be revealed. On a quiet day, tragic struck. Messengers came running to Job. "Your oxen has gone, stolen. Fire has burned your sheep. Riders have taken your camels. Your servants are dead." Before Job could process it, another messenger arrived. "Your children, they were eating together, and a great wind destroyed the house. They are all gone." In a single day, Job lost everything. His wealth gone, his children gone. Yet Job fell on the ground and said, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." But the test was not over. Satan struck Job with painful sore from head to toe. He sat in ashes, gripping his skin with broken potter. Even his wife said, "Are you still holding on to your integrity? Curse God and die." But Job replied, "Shall we accept good from God and not trouble?" 3 friends came to comfort him, but instead of comfort, they brought accusation. "You must have sinned. God is punishing you. You are hiding wickedness." Day after day, they argued with Job, but Job kept asking, "Why is this happening to me?" Still, he did not abandon God. In his pain, Job cried out, "Let the day of my birth perish. I wish I had never been born." He questioned everything, but he never cursed God. He only wanted answers. Finally, God answered, but not the way Job wanted. God said, "Where were you when I laid the foundations of the earth? Can you command the morning? Can you control the sea? Do you understand the mystery of creation?" Job became silent. He realized something. God is greater than human understanding. Then God restored Job. His health returned. His wealth was doubled. He was given new children. But more importantly, his faith became unshakable. Job never got a full explanation for his suffering, but he got something deeper than answer. He got revelation. Sometimes life does not make sense, but faith is not about understanding everything. It's about trusting God even when you don't. Thank you guys for watching to this very moment. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video to someone that might want to watch it. Thank you guys for supporting this channel, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.